Hi all, welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. Today what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and use this ear pads and we are going to replace in our existing headphones. We don't have to go ahead and buy new headphones every time we lose a ear pad because all the companies do not offer it to sell the ear pads separately just because we have to buy a new headphone when the ear pads goes by. I did have a JBL headphone which I was unable to use for a very long time, but I went ahead and put the soft ear pads which I did have and I'm using till now. But today we are going to replace it using the branded one which is already there for it. And this one is actually from a local company, but it fits exactly to this. Today we will show you how you can do it in your home easily, and this one charges just about 300 or 350 bucks. That's it. You don't have to buy a new headset. So let's stop wasting time and head to the tutorial of how to do this. So let's start with that. Okay guys, so this is the headphone where we are going to go ahead and change the ear pads, and this is a JBL headphone. So we are going to remove this black one first, and to remove this I'll just show you what you have to do. If you could just turn your headset above, you'll be able to see a wedge over here. Okay, if you are able to see this wedge clearly, start removing the ear pad from that place onwards, because the ear pad will be removed completely from there easily. You just have to turn it and remove it from there. The same thing we are going to do for the other headphone also. That's other ear pad here. If you see the ledge over there, I'll show you the ledge. Yeah, now you're able to see that. So now go ahead and quickly remove that ledge. The ear pad will be coming out from the ledge easily. So as you see, it's as simple as it can get. And now let's quickly take the remaining part also slowly. Do not damage the earphones or the pad because we can always use that again. We never know what would happen. So this is not yet fully damaged also, and the headphone is there. And now just clean your headphone with this opportunity. If you have a cloth like this, just go ahead and clean it completely, and that would be more than enough for you to go ahead and check how good the earpad is, because it is still like new only. Even though it's about 5 years old, it looks good even now. So now just check the headset completely and check which side is the right and which side is the left. But I would give you an idea that button side is always the right in this headset, so you don't even have to check the ledge to go ahead and find out, because we need to fit this according to right and left of the headset. And in the right hand side we'll be putting the right, and in the left hand side we'll be putting the left headset over here. Let's take this out. This is an okay quality one, but this is the thing which we can get on Amazon. As I told you, I'll be leaving the link in the description. So if you see a ledge inside over here, a cut, from there we'll be starting to go ahead and insert the headset. That is the easiest way to go ahead and insert the headset and start fixing it. You see over here, it has been inserted over here clearly. Now all I'm going to do over here is turn it a little bit, so it will be sitting in the position as it is supposed to. But sometimes what will happen is, even I'm rotating like this, some of the sides will not be fully fixed in the headset with the ear pad, because as you do know, it's not the original one. There is an issue always with that. So what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to quickly go ahead and pull it out a little bit in all the sides. because that is an easier method to go ahead and do it. And I'll be using my nails to get it inside there, because that is the way easy method than going ahead and fixing it little by little. And this will give it an easy approach for you also. If you do not have nails, please go ahead and use your sister's help. Or if if a girl is watching, you would be knowing how to do this with your nails. It is very easy. So we are just going to insert it very minutely, because we don't want to damage the ear pads. So minutely we'll be doing this little by little. Just push it in. Do not be in a hurry when you do this, because the new ear pads will get damaged, or else then you would have even lost the new ear pads which you have bought. So be very minute about it and do it slowly. Take your time over there. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my time out over here, and I'm going to go ahead and fix this minutely, because as I told you, as I advised you, I don't want to damage my earpads also, which I just got it today by Amazon. So let me do this minutely, taking my time. Having thick hands is a very big issue over here. I'm doing it with the medium nails. Do not use any tools for this, but always count on your nails itself and go ahead and do this. It will take some time, but it is easy to go ahead and fix it by that. And just give me a couple of minutes there. I'll just insert it quickly and I'll get back to you. So as you see, I went ahead and took my minutes and I fixed it properly. And if you see all sides, it is fixed properly without any issue. And I'm just doing the final touches. So now let's go to the other side of the headphone also after this. So this is completely done. So even here, take your time. Do not be in a hurry. Use the ledge as much as you can. Other than that, you do have your nails to insert it inside the minute space given over there. This is just a hack to not waste your headphones by just changing it to a generic pad over there. So let me take my time over there also and fix this also. And don't be in a hurry, as I am telling you. Do it minutely, do it slowly, but do not be in a hurry to go ahead and fix this. For some of them, it might be a trial and error method over here, but it is the best method you can get to go ahead and revive your lifeless headphones life and use it outside also. If you're using it at home, you can use any kind of headset you want. But when you're using it outside, you do need a good headset to use it. So we are just going ahead and doing the other side also properly. And I will be taking my sweet time over here because I don't want to damage this. If you do wish, you can forward it and see it, how it is happening, but take your time to fix this. I could have gone ahead and done it in a fast forward and shown you this, but it's not that easy. You must understand that, because you will be damaging your headphone by just seeing my video, thinking like I'll be able to do in the full speed like that. So it doesn't work in a fast forward pace. It is a minute work and you have to do it carefully. or else it won't be fixed properly. As you're seeing minutely, I'm doing it one side at a time. Inside there's a rubber black one to go ahead and give it some grip also. So if you see, that has been done. Now I'm going to go ahead and rotate it. So the left side shows up over here. Now the same thing we'll be doing for the right hand side. But if you're not able to even rotate it, like I'm facing the problem now, I'm not able to rotate it, then not a problem. Do it slowly, steadily. If you wish, you can take it out and again do it, but do not force it to come, or else it will come in your hand in two pieces. I'm just taking it out and I'm doing it as I told you, because it is a minute work, so I'm doing it slow and steadily. Again. So let me just quickly go ahead and finish this and then I'll get back to you. It'll just take about 2 more seconds for me. This part I can go ahead and skip for you because I've already shown you this part. So I'm just gonna skip it for now for recording, and I'll just do it and I'll show you how this can be done easily. So this part a little bit more, then I'll just skip it for you. I'll just fast track this part alone. But the thing about this is that you need a lot of patience to do this. So I've just gone ahead and skipped that part. It was taking some time because I had to make it straight so that we can see left and right straight in the top portion. There was another way of doing it, but I didn't want to do that. You could have taken the inside sole and just turned it around. But this is the best way to go ahead and do it without damaging the headsets. And this is also done over here now. So it's as new, as good as new, and that is I mean. So let's go ahead and get this headset running again. Okay guys, so that's how you're supposed to go ahead and fix a headphone onto your, earpad onto your headphone. It's as simple as that. You can just rotate it while you're using the ledge over there. You can go ahead and also use your fingers to dab it in. It's as simple as that. So if you did like this video, you can go ahead and subscribe for the channel and leave like and comment over here. And that can be used for any of the headsets, not only the JBL which I showed you, the same technique, this type of headphones. If you see, you can use it for this. You can use it for oval also in case you want a oval buds. Or any of the headphones which you do have, you can go ahead and use the same technique to go ahead and utilize this. And until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog. And if you do like videos like this, please subscribe as I had told you. Thank you there. You have a wonderful day ahead.